Deborah Jean here. We are going to show you today how to program a Irritrol wireless rain sensor. And today will be pretty much the same for any controller. Today we have a Hunter ICC2 that we've just installed with the new Easy Decoder system. So here we go. Alright everybody, Deborah Jean here. We are ready to install our Irritrol wireless rain sensor. We have a Hunter ICC2 controller. Pretty much any controller is going to work. So I'm going to open this up, keep the instructions here, and take out the portion that we're going to be using. Hook this bad boy to the controller. Get this out and ready. And as you can see, here's our wires. And if you don't have this video and you don't remember, you can always open the book. You don't need to get overwhelmed, but you can simply look at this diagram right here. It's going to show you, see the yellow wire is not even stripped. We're not going to be using it. Both red wires are going to go, those are your power wires, so they're going to go to 24 volt. White and brown going to go to your sensor terminals, which, as it says, are normally closed. So as you'll see right here, this is closed loop on your sensor terminals. So we are going to remove that for this rain sensor to work. So I have previously drilled a hole in the bottom of this, and I will be able to get my wires through there. For now, we'll set this here. So all you'll need is a screwdriver. Voila. Get my Phillips out. And we're going to remove the sensor terminal, sensor loop currently on. We can keep that in the controller. So our white and our brown. Yellow we won't be using, that's why it's not stripped once again. Keep these wires organized. White and brown. Yellow's not getting used. So we just unscrewed those. We're gonna go white, brown and white. Sensor. Make sure they're in there, tighten them snug. And others are going to be hooked into power here. Pop this cover off. Open our 24 volt. We already have our Hunter sensor in here. You want to make sure all the other wires stay in securely. That's one. Make sure it's in there, the nut. And number two, make sure all of our wires stay in. that's it. We got our wires in. We take this part of our rain sensor, and you can either screw this to the exterior or use the stickies that come with it to do it. Ladies and gentlemen, that's about it. If you so desire, you can use 3M tape on the side of the controller, or you can screw it in to the side of the wall here next to the controller. And that's it for this portion. We'll go out in the field and hang up our sensor. Okay everybody, so we got our receiver hooked up to our controller. Saw how to get the wiring in. We have the receiver part of our controller right here, ready to go. Lights are on, easily accessible. So what we had to do was find a place within 300 feet, 300 yards, I need to check, for the sensor. You want to find somewhere where there's no trees, where there's no roof lines, and where it's not going to get hit by irrigation. So we have used this post right here where there's no coverage and it will not get hit by irrigation. We've used this simple screw to attach. You can also screw it into the side of a post or whatever area you can find. So that is everything you need to know on the Irritrol rain sensor, wireless rain-free sensor installation. Have fun. Good luck with it.